Welcome to Concero's eLearning series. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use our ePR.Live system for employer reporting. You've probably already received a login to the ePR.Live system. Use this information to gain access to the system. If this is the first time you're logging in, you'll be asked to change your password and agree to the end user license agreement. Once in, you'll arrive at the What's New page. The contents of this page will change from time to time with information that may be of interest to you. ePR.Live is broken down into an easy-to-understand menu system. We'll cover each of these menu items in the video, but if you'd like to read more about the system and get a printed copy of the guide, just navigate over to File Payroll Reports and click Download the ePR.Live Employer Guide. If this is your first time using the system, you'll need to add employee records to start reporting on. To do this, click on Employee Roster and click New. Enter the employee name as it appears in your payroll system and enter the employee's Social Security number. The only required fields are name and Social Security number, but you can fill out the other fields if you choose. Note that each employee record will have a place for you to enable employee deductions. We call these employee elections. If this feature is enabled, you may have the capability to turn the elections on or off, establish start and stop times, and sometimes even specify a discrete rate for each employee. Once you have your employee records created, you'll be able to file payroll reports. Go ahead and click on File Payroll Reports. On the first day of each month, this screen will automatically update with any reports that you're required to file. Select the month you are filing for. If this is the first report of this kind, you'll need to add the employees to the report. Subsequent months will not require you to do this step. For each employee, select an employee classification from the drop-down menu. Employees can only be added to a report under a specific classification one time. If you need to report the same employee under more than one classification, simply click the New button. Select the employee and choose that employee's second classification. Note that from this screen, you can also create new employees, remove all employees from the payroll report, download a copy of your work, and change your viewing preferences. We also have the option to upload data into the system through the use of the Intelligent Upload tool. For more information on how to do this, please see one of our videos on that topic. To start filling out your payroll report, first add hours to the report, wages paid, and any employee deductions. Click the Update button. Notice that the system is programmed to calculate your employer contributions automatically. ePR.Live has detailed calculations that sit behind all payroll reports. If you run into issues when filing, such as warning message about underpayment towards a certain contribution, read the error message and adjust your report as required to continue. The red box at the top of the screen will cover the general error, and the small yellow caution sign will detail the exact problem on a case-by-case basis. After correcting any errors, go ahead and click Update again. If the report looks to be correct, click Submit Report. When you get to the Checkout page, note that you will see payment and remit instructions for each of the entities that you're reporting to. These instructions will vary across jurisdictions. If electronic payments are offered, you will see that information here. Feel free to download your work, and unless you're specifically asked, there's no reason to print the report for mailing. An electronic version of the report will be available at each collection point. If you notice an error here at checkout, click Retract. Otherwise, click Done. That covers the basic filing process. Let's take a quick look at some of the other system features. From the File Payroll Reports menu, you can choose to see or download reports that you have previously filed. Just check the box to Include Submitted and Processed Reports. Reports that are in a status of submitted means that the report has not yet been processed by a collection agent. These reports can be deleted by clicking the red X. If you click Work Month from this view, you will go to the summary page for each filed report. From there, you can view or download your history. Click Done to return. If your report has already been processed, but you need to make changes, just click the Amend button. A copy of the original report will be retrieved for your viewing. On this report, notice that each employee record says No Change. As you make changes to the report, notice that each employee record will begin to reflect the original and differential data. Click Update to check for errors. On amending reports, please note that the system will not net contributions across benefits or employees, and the system does not automatically allow credits, and the system does not natively override any value that you've input previously, such as an employee deduction. And in general, remember that each jurisdiction manages their amendment process differently. If you have a specific question about a payroll report amendment, it's best to contact the sponsor for that area. Once you have completed your amended report, click Submit Report. And click Done to return to the roster. Notice that you will be able to distinguish between your initial report and your report amendments. 0-hour or no work reports are simple. Just click the 0-hour report button. Congratulations! You have completed your first step towards familiarizing yourself with the ePR.Live system. If you have any questions that aren't answered in this video or other videos available from Concero's eLearning series, please feel free to contact us at our toll-free number, via email or our website. Thank you for your time.